Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Courts of law. Courts can be civil courts and criminal courts. Criminal court are of four types: Supreme Court, High Court, Sessions Court, and Magistrate Court. Supreme Court is the highest court of the country. Any judgment given by the Supreme Court or any verdict which is given by the Supreme Court will be binding to all other courts of our country. So, there are mainly four types of criminal courts: Supreme Court, High Court, Sessions Court, and Magistrate Court. Each of them should be dealt in detail.
Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about